In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bot in Facebook Messenger. By the end, you will be chatting with an AI bot directly inside your regular Messenger conversations. Start by opening the Messenger app on your phone. When it opens, you should see your usual list of recent chats, with profile pictures on the left and message previews on the right. If you are asked to log in, use your normal Facebook account details. Once Messenger is open and you see your conversations, you are in the right place to move on. Now tap the search bar at the top of the screen. On most phones, you will see a search field with a magnifying glass icon. As soon as you tap it, your keyboard appears at the bottom, and any recent or suggested contacts may show up under the bar. This search works for people, group chats, and also for bots, so we will use it to find the AI. Next, search for Meta AI or another available AI. Type the words Meta AI into the search field slowly so you can watch the suggestions update underneath. If Meta AI is not listed for your region, Messenger may show other AI options with a small label such as AI under the name. A useful tip here, if you only see your friends and no AI results at all, it usually means that AI bots are not yet rolled out to your account or country. From there, tap the AI from the search results. Look for an entry that has the Meta AI name or the name of the AI you want, often with a distinctive icon instead of a person photo. When you tap it, Messenger opens a new chat screen, similar to a normal conversation, but you will usually see some introductory text from the bot or a short description near the top. Next up, tap Start Chat or send your first message. Some versions of Messenger show a Start Chat button you can press once. On others, the text box is already active, and you can just type a greeting such as hello and hit send. The moment you do this, Messenger creates the chat in your conversation list, so it will appear alongside your normal chats. At this point, begin chatting with the AI. Availability varies by country and account. Type a simple question, like asking for a weather summary or a quick explanation of a topic, then send it. Within a few seconds, you should see a typing indicator near the bottom, followed by the AI response appearing like a regular message bubble. If you do not get any reply after a short time, or the bot never appeared in search, it usually means the AI feature is not yet enabled for your account, and you may need to try again later or check from another device with the same login. You have now added an AI bot into your Messenger conversations and sent your first messages to it. If this helped you get your AI chat running, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Messenger tips.